Elon Musk, how my wealth has grown strongly during Trump's presidency.
Since Trump took office, Tesla's stock has increased by approximately 39%, reaching $350 per share, pushing the company's market capitalization beyond the $1 trillion mark. This surge in stock price added $20.8 billion to my wealth in just one trading session. Since then, my net worth has increased by an additional $71 billion, now standing at $335 billion. I hold a significant amount of Tesla shares with 411.06 million shares and around 304 million performance-based options. This growth is not just a personal success, but also reflects Tesla's vision and tremendous potential for the future. Trump's election has significantly impacted how the government interacts with my companies. His policies have fostered and created a favorable environment for the growth of the technology and electric vehicle industries, which have played an important role in Tesla's current success.